Did you know right now is the best time to start and grow your agency? Hey, I'm Jason Swank, and I grew a multi-million-dollar agency over the past 12 years, and we grew through a lot of uncertain times, kind of like this one. And there's a couple things that you can actually do in order to grow and scale your agency. And it really starts with knowing where you're going and having that vision. Too many agency owners are accidental. They knew how to do something cool, they started doing it, and then they just never had focus in order to figure out what do they need to focus on. And then they positioned their agency in the wrong way, or they may have charged the wrong amount where they should have been charging triple or quadruple the amount so they can really focus on profit. And then they might not have had all the right systems for prospecting and getting those leads, or maybe they didn't have the right systems for converting the prospects, or they didn't know what team member to hire or what they actually needed to do in order to grow their agency. So if you click on the link below, it's a 14-day quarantine workshop that I did live that you'll actually have access to the recordings, which are about 15 minutes of content and then Q&A from amazing agency owners from all over the world. We had over 500 people attend, and it was just an amazing workshop where they've started growing and scaling their agency. And I wanted to give you the ability to have access to this training as well, especially through these uncertain times. So if you want to start and grow your agency and grow it a little bit faster and not make all the mistakes a lot of people actually make sure you click on the link, and I'll chat with you soon.